Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. I know that I already have a few boho knotless braid tutorials on my channel, but I just wanted to share this one with you guys because the colors turned out so pretty. So I mixed the colors 1B and 30 to create this blend, and my client purchased one pack of curly human hair in each color. We're going for a size medium, so that's in between small and medium, somewhere in the middle. I already completed the first 2 rows, and on the first row I did a total of 5 knotless braids without adding any curly pieces. I started adding the curly human hair pieces on the second row, and I added one piece of curly hair per braid. What the hell? I'm currently on my third row of braids, and I'm now adding 2 pieces of curly hair per braid. One piece being number 30 and one piece of 1B. So initially this hairstyle was supposed to be a boho knotless bob, but at the end we decided to keep the length as it is and not cut it. And here I'm just knotting the ends of the braids a few times so it does not come loose or unravel. So I start off by doing half of a regular knotless braid, then I add my first piece of braiding hair, and I do a complete braid to secure that first piece. Then I add my first piece of curly hair, then add another piece of braiding hair. My braid was not quite balanced, so I added another small piece of braiding hair before I started to braid down. And I braid down about 2 inches or so before adding my second piece of curly hair. After adding my second piece of curly hair, I continue to braid down and make a few knots at the end of the braid or where I want that braid to stop. I'm also using the brick layering technique so that the braids can fall between each other and not on top of each other. And this will give that flat, full look. I'm now at the top of her head and I've now started adding 3 pieces of curly hair per braid. And I'm continuing with the brick layering and alternating between both colors. I'm now on my last 2 rows, the middle section, and I'm going to be adding 4 pieces of curly hair to each braid. 2 pieces of number 30 and 2 pieces of 1B. Now we're all finished with the braiding part, and I now move on to cleaning, sectioning, and dipping the ends in hot water before curling. So I noticed that some of the braiders were saying don't use mousse on the human hair because it lays flat. They only use oil sheen. So I gave it a try, but nope, it did not do the trick. I proceeded to use some Motion's versatile foam styling lotion. Just a fancy way of saying mousse. And that worked perfectly. Now we're all done, and she loved her braids as usual. I'm obsessed with the colors. I also may have added a small amount of number 33 into the blend. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.